Here's how to create a Roblox account on your phone. First, open the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Search for Roblox, then download and install the app. Once it's finished installing, open it. Now tap Create Account to get started. The first thing Roblox will ask for is your birthday. Select your correct month, day, and year, then tap Confirm Birthday. Next, create a username. If the username you choose is already taken, Roblox will let you know. Simply try another name or add a few numbers until you find one that's available. After that, choose your gender if you want to, then tap Continue. You may see a prompt to set up a passkey for extra security. You can set it up now or skip it and continue. Now create a strong password for your account. Make sure it's something secure that you'll remember, then tap Done. After a few moments, your Roblox account will be created. If an age verification message appears, you can complete it now or simply close it and do it later. And that's it! You've successfully created your Roblox account and you're ready to start playing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.